Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create timeline in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Word, and first of all, we need to go to the insert menu, and here we can select the Smart Art, and then we can choose the precise category, and you can choose the Smart Art that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with this one and click on OK. Alright, and here we can type our text. For example, I'm just going to add stage 1 and stage 2, and you can edit it according to your needs. You can also change the text font. You just need to select it and go to the home, select the font you want to apply, and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and if you want to change the color, you can click on the Smart Art, then go to the design or the format right here. You can go to the format to change the shape fill, change the color of the Smart Art. Okay, just like this. And you can also change the shape outline. You can also modify the graph according to your style. Okay guys, and that's how we can create timeline in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.